Hi friends, how you doing? I'm glad to see you this time to talk about the steam broom. As you know, time is very precious nowadays, so it is normal that we look for the best solutions to save it in order to enjoy our loved ones. Household chores are no exception for this trend. The goal is to make housework quick, easy, and efficient so that it no longer feels like a chore. That's why the steam mop is an ideal solution. But before we get into the heart of the matter, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. While you're at it, don't forget to activate that bell notification. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming releases. Are you ready? Let's find out together the 7 best steam mops on Amazon. This steam mop from the brand Palati Vepareto comes from an unlimited autonomy. Thanks to this, you'll be able to clean your house without fearing that the device will stop. Moreover, it is easy to handle and is ready in 15 seconds. Once you turn it on, you don't have to wait long to use it. It particularly lies in the fact that it's compatible with all types of floors, type of floor, delicate or hardwood floor carvings, linoleum, marble, carpet, etc. It removes the most stubborn stains thanks to its intuitive vapor force brush and leaves your floors clean. It diffuses steam extensively and is able to reach large areas. This way, you can reach the hardest to reach areas and still enjoy a high quality cleaning. In addition, you'll be able to adjust the steam flow rate and improve the cleaning performance on the surface to be cleaned. You'll also appreciate that it's lightweight, easy to handle, and compact. It takes up little space and you can easily store it. It is also convenient because you can use it with one hand and clean your home without getting tired. Another advantage of this steam mop is it's easy to use. Indeed, its mop is easily positioned and its removal is done without hands. Finally, it provides non-stop cleaning. This is possible thanks to its removable tank. You just need to fill it up with water and use your cleaner continuously. As for the filter integrated into the steam mop, it limits the appearance of limescale, increases the life of your device, and allows you to enjoy an excellent cleaning result. The Vilda SteamXXL steam mop allows you to enjoy maximum hygiene at home. In only 15 seconds, it's ready to use. It's a practical device because it can be used on all types of floors, wood, carpet, linoleum, tiles, parquet, etc. Moreover, it's powerful, effective, and allows you to kill up to 99% of bacteria. It should also be noted that it has a wide range. You can use it for your homes and rooms larger than 100 square meters. This way, you ensure cleanliness throughout your home. In addition, its rectangular head is convenient, as it allows you to remove the maximum amount of dirt as quickly as possible. This steam mop is also durable and environmentally friendly. The cleaning is done with steam and without detergent or chemicals. Its steam flow is also adjustable. This allows you to adapt the cleaning intensity to the type of floor you're working on. Are you looking for a practical and functional steam mop? This model from CarShare may appeal to you. It cleans without chemicals and allows you to enjoy exceptional results. Indeed, the steam it releases sanitizes, cleanses, and degreases floors. It also has 3 predefined operating modes that will allow you to choose the ideal flow rate depending on your floor. This way, you can clean your floors thoroughly and efficiently. It should also be noted that it starts up quickly. In only 30 seconds, it is ready to use. Moreover, an LED heating indicator tells you when you can use the device. Another advantage of this broom is it has unlimited autonomy. All you have to do is fill up the tank to use it continuously. Practical, isn't it? You will also appreciate the fact that it comes with a descaling cartridge. This cartridge is integrated into the device and automatically descales the appliance. This way, it protects your broom and extends its life. This BLACKDECKER steam mop allows you to enjoy optimal cleaning. It is equipped with a cleaning head and a foot pedal, which allows you to remove the most stubborn stains. To do this, it emits a powerful steam jet. so you can use it to clean any floor. This broom also comes with a SteamXXL glove. This is the detachable part of the device, which provides you with a good steam power at your fingers. Once you put it on, you can easily run it over dirty surfaces to remove dirt. The SteamXXL glove is versatile and allows you to clean many surfaces. Surfaces include toys, tablets, bathrooms, work surfaces, etc. The other advantage of this broom is its efficiency. It is capable of killing up to 99.9% of bacteria. Plus, with its 6-meter long cable, you can easily reach multiple areas to clean. You'll also appreciate the auto-select feature of the device that allows you to choose the type of floor you clean. The icing on the cake is it comes with many accessories, flexible steam hose, brushes, and one steam glove. This steam mop from Bissell offers lift-off technology. This is convenient because it allows you to use steam to do your cleaning. Moreover, the work is done in good conditions because the device is easy to maneuver. This will allow you to easily clean all affected surfaces. The steam delivered by this device breaks down the dirt and eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria. In addition, the broom works without chemicals, so you can enjoy a healthy cleaning. Another interesting feature to note is the fact that you can manually control the system. Simply choose the type of surface you want to clean to use the right amount of steam. Its multi-directional swivel foot is a nice touch too. With it, you can easily maneuver your machine to reach every corner that you need to clean. As an added bonus, it comes with several tools, brushes, microfiber mop pads, etc. This Shark brand steam mop allows you to clean hardwood floors, tiles, wood floors, stone, etc. Moreover, it's an ecological device. It works without chemicals, which allows you to enjoy a healthy and safe cleaning. Moreover, it eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and microbes thanks to the power of its steam. Another interesting feature of this device is it's able to switch between steam settings. This is done by simply pressing the button dedicated to the purpose, low for simple cleaning and high for tougher surfaces. In addition, its unit is easy to handle and adapts to your needs. You can switch it to the handheld mode by simply lifting the main body of the handle. We also like the click and flip technology. It allows you to apply the double-sided cleaning pad, then flip the head of the broom for more thorough cleaning. The Rowenta clean and system is easy to use and lightweight. It is a device that you can easily handle and allows you to enjoy optimal comfort of use. You will appreciate its 1 and 2 vacuuming and washing function. Thanks to the latter, it is able to suck up dust and dirt before cleaning. Moreover, it allows you to enjoy a healthy cleaning without chemicals and using tap water. In this way, it eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and germs. Another advantage of this device is that it integrates a diffuser of essential oils. This is located on the suction head, which allows you to diffuse the fragrance in the room in which you work. Finally, it should be noted that this device is suitable for all types of floors, tiles, parquet, carpets, and vinyl, etc. That's it, folks. We've come to the end of our selection of the best gaming mops on Amazon. If you liked the video, feel free to like and share it. Also, tell us in the comments if you liked a model. Before you go, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't hesitate to click that little bell to receive notifications for our next publications. As for me, I'll see you soon for a new high-tech adventure.